Hey guys, my name is Horse and today I'm going to show you how to install a FPS config for Mac. So go to this website. I'm going to link it down below. Just copy this, then go to Steam, then right click TF2, go to properties, go to local files, browse local files, TF, CFG, then copy one of your CFG files. Just duplicate it, then rename that to autoexec.cfg, then just copy that, then remove everything, then paste what you put in first config, then scroll up, then go to this the launch options part, just go to the full screen, then copy everything, then go to general, set launch options, then paste this, then go to the width and height of this part, just replace that part um with your monitor. Then before we remove this, about the DX level 81, what you're supposed to do is to launch TF2, then immediately remove it. Immediately close it. Then you can remove this part. Then yeah, that's what you gotta do for FPS config. Thank you so much for everything. Feel free to ask me any questions.